What's up, YouTube? Out here at the garage at the truck.
Mama tried to keep me home, but a lot of fucking street. I was cooking up a key, trying to serve it to the street. Couple niggas
Got all that Dynamat in there. Working on this door now. About to install the carpet. Got that door all the way done, even in the inside. Got the grill put on the other day. Got to finish tightening it up, new bumper. Got the headlights in there, trying to figure out if I'm gonna go with the new chrome ones or am I gonna go with my yellow ones. But I like them yellow ones, it's different. I ain't seen nobody with those yet. Yeah, she coming together. About to wire everything up. It's a little factory. Speakers came with this.